Amaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal azingela osolwa ngokubandakanyeka emacaleni okukhokhisa imali yokuvikeleka eMariannhill entshonalanga yeTheku. uLinda Hlongwa odume ngelikaMjinja aka Putin. uHlongwa waboshwa mhla zingama-20 kuNtulikazi emva kokutholakala nesibhamu nezinhlamvu okungekho emthethweni. Kepha wadedelwa kusalindwe umphumela wokuhlolwa kwesibhamu. Ukusuka lapho uyishaya indiva imiyalelo yokuba avele enkantolo.
Since then, he has ignored summons to appear in court to face his charges. Hlongwa, who also goes by the name Mjinja or Putin, is also wanted in connection with a string of extortion cases in which he is allegedly terrorizing business people in and around Mariannhill area. Hlongwa's warrant of arrest was issued by the Pinetown Magistrate Court on the 9th of September this year. Police are appealing to anyone who might have information about the whereabouts of Linda Hlongwa to contact the investigating officer Sergeant Gwala on 079-889-9733 or make use of the Crime Stop number 08600 10111.